Good morning student. Let's start with our HTML code. In this video section, we are going to see about different types of HTML tag such as HTML block quotes. This is basically used for quotation, short quotation, abbreviation, address, that is basically contact information address get used, and citation, as well as bidirectional override. So let's begin with our HTML practical. So for our practical, we required notepad file with HTML structure. So already I have created over here HTML structure. Now let's give the head and title, which will appear on the title bar of the browser. So let's assume I am giving over here practical third. So any name you can give as a head and title. Now first of all we will see about the block quote, that is quotation. Now over here quotation is nothing but this define the section that is quoted from another source. So browser usually indent the block quotes element. So just we have to create over here paragraph, and that paragraph we have to give the block quote. Student, already I have created one paragraph, so let's select that paragraph only. So over here P tag is used for paragraph. So this is my paragraph which I have typed over here, and we are giving the block quote, that is a citation. Any website address you can give over here. Close the block quote, close your body tag, as well as close your HTML tag also. Let's save the changes. Already I am having the webtech folder. Within that folder we can save our HTML file. We can view our previous file with the help of all files. So these are my list of files. Now give over here the name for your web page. For example, I am giving page3.htm. Without forget, we have to give the extension. Now let's view this page through browser. So my page name is a page3. So just open this page. So we will get the output over here. Now let's start with another one. Already I'm having certain type text, so I will use that only. So rather than wasting the time in typing. Now over here you can see just I have given the Q. So Q is nothing but the short quotation. HTML quotation define the short quotation. Browser normally insert the quotation mark around the text. So let's see, for example, if I want over here within for this entire statement quotation mark, so you can give the Q tag. So let's save the changes, and over here you have to refresh your browser. So you can see over here quotation mark is appearing. So if you want to give any quotation in between the text, so you can use this Q tag. Now let's jump towards the next tag of HTML, that is an abbreviation. So I will use over here abbreviation tag, which is representing ABBR. Close this tag, and in between that whichever abbreviation you want you can define. So over here abbreviations are nothing but, for example, HTML, CSS, Mr., Mrs., Doctor. So such kind of abbreviation can be given useful information to the browser, translation system, and the search engine. Use the global title attribute to show the description for the abbreviation when your mouse over that particular element. For example, we will see over here. So let's give the abbreviation title whichever you want for your text. So abbreviation is my tag, and over within this title is my attribute. So whichever title you want, you can give over here. For example, World Wide Web, and my text is a www. So close that. Close your abbreviation over here. Was found in all over the world. So I have opened the abbreviation tag and I have closed that also. So let's save the changes and refresh your browser. As you can see over here, abbreviation is appearing on my web page. After that, we will move towards the next tag, that is an address tag. Basically, address tag we are using for the contact information. HTML introduce this address tag. Okay, I'm already having that. I have already created that, so we will use that only rather than retyping it. We'll see, and I will paste it over here. So the contact information can be your email address, URL, physical address, telephone number, social media, which can be handled. Basically, you can see in address element, it usually in italic effect, and the browser will always add the line break before and after the address element. So we can see over here, I have already given the address with the help of address tag. Let's refresh this so you can see the difference. So basically slightly italic effect it is showing me with my line break. So this is about all the tags related to your HTML. Now we will move towards the next tag, that is your citation tag. This is basically for the work title. HTML set or tag defines the title of the creative work, for example book, poem, song, movies, painting, such as the things we can use this. For example, you can see over here simple example. You can type any sentence over here. So first of all, I will use that my tags, and within that whichever thing you want it should print, you can mention, for example the stream I want it should be appear in the citation tag, and after that by Smith John. Okay, so this is my sentence. Let's save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see it is appearing in the citation. So basically citation is nothing but it defines the title of creative work. For example, a person name is not the title of work. So the text in the citation element usually renders in italic effect. So you can see address as well as citation both will come in the italic form. Now I will move towards the next tag, that is a bidirectional override. Basically BDO tag we are using for this. Full form it is a bidirectional override. So HTML tag which will already use to override the current text direction. So if you want to override, so you can use this tag. So let's see that. So give the tag with its attribute. So dir, that is a directory, is an attribute of it. Mention the name of your directory, and in between that you can write your text. This text will be written from right to left. Already I have closed this tag. So let's save the changes and you can see the output. See, you can see the difference between that. So we will use over here BR tag. BR nothing but line break. So how many line breaks you want? Go on putting this BR tag. BR is your unpadded tag, so no need to close it. You can see. So each and everything is coming in the bidirectional. That is overriding my text. So it will override my current text direction. So if you want to print like this way, so you can use this bidirectional override attribute. Now that's it about today's section. So in this video we have learned about the block quote. After that we have learned the small quotation, address, citation and as well as bidirectional override. Hope student these doubts get clear to you. We will meet soon in new video with new attributes as well as tags of HTML. Till the time being, watch my videos and solve through practically. Thank you for watching my video.